Hi, first grade. Thank you for joining me for math today. Okay, so today you've been practicing subtraction, but now let's figure out some times when we might have to use that subtraction in the real world. Okay, so I'm going to give you some word problems, some stories, and we're going to have to figure out the answers using subtraction. Okay, so for instance, let's say that I have 48 cupcakes. It's a lot of cupcakes, okay? But let's say that I have a cupcake store and I sell 23 of them. How many cupcakes do I have left? So I had 48, we sold and gave away 23, so that's minus. 48 minus 23 equals, well, let's put it on top of each other. What do we always start with? The ones. What is 8 minus 3? 8 minus 3 is 5. Now we'll look at our tens. What is 4 tens minus 2 tens? 4 minus 2 is 2. So how many cupcakes am I going to have left? I'm going to have 25 cupcakes. Okay. One of the things I'm going to have you do today is you're going to be doing some review pages. Okay. And I'll tell you those pages in just a minute. And those pages are going to have some practice problems for you. And the practice problems might say something like, well, what is 2 tens plus 3 tens? And that we know that equals 5 tens. And the answers they might say, is that 20? Is that 50? Or is that 70? Well, 2 tens and 3 tens is 5 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So I'm going to circle B, 50. So you're going to have some problems like that. But you're also going to have some problems that are word problems. Okay? So, for instance, what if I said that I had gone to the store to get light bulbs for the JEA, for all the rooms at the JEA, so it's a lot of light bulbs. Let's say I bought 83 light bulbs, and I was driving home, and I hit a bump, boom! And 25 of them broke. How many light bulbs do I have left? Well, if they broke, did I get more light bulbs or did some of the light bulbs go away? Okay, yeah, they broke. These ones broke, so we don't have them anymore. They went away. So we're going to put minus equals, and we always start with the ones. Okay, so we're always going to start with the ones right here. Well, I only have 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. So let me make that a little bigger. I only have 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. Can I take away 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't have enough. So remember, I have to come over to the tens, take one of them away, and move that 10 over here to make 13. And let me space it out so you can see it a little better. So we had 3. We moved our 10 over to make 13. What is 13 minus 5? 8. Now I can look at my tens. What is 7 minus 2? 5. So that means I have 58 light bulbs left. Okay. So that's what you're going to be doing today, is reading your word problems for your review pages and figuring out, are they adding or are they subtracting? And then you're going to have to put them on top of each other and solve it. Okay? So your review pages are pages, let's see, 152 through 154. So it's going to be 152, 153, 154. 3 pages, and a lot of it's going to be word problems where you need to read the problem and figure out, are they adding or subtracting? And then you need to solve it for me. When you solve it for me, I want you to solve it by putting the numbers on top of each other and showing me your work, showing me how you solved it. So don't just write down, oh, the answer's 3. because then I don't know how you figured that out. Okay, so I need to see that you understand how to do it. Okay, go ahead, do your review pages, solve it for me, take a picture, put it on Seesaw. All right, have a great time. Bye.